Lincoln's policy towards secession. On March 4th, 1861, the Buchanan administration expired, and the tremendous responsibilities of the presidential office devolved upon Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln laid down the outlines of his policy toward slavery, secession, and maintenance of national authority in his inaugural address on March 4th. It was a reasoned and powerful address, lucid in its constitutional theorizing, but Lincoln offered no compromise whatsoever to the South on the territorial question, as many Southern Unionists desired him to do so. Lincoln reminded the South that he had no constitutional authority to attack slavery within the Southern states. Lincoln added that he was willing and even anxious to extend all the constitutional protection possible to the prosperity, peace, and security of every section of the Union. Lincoln obviously intended to abide by the substance of his party's platform and to refuse to sanction any further extension of slavery in the territories. Moreover, there was in Lincoln's words the strong implication that the South could not succeed in peace. The Union of 1789 was intended to be perpetual. Secession he denounced as the essence of anarchy. It was legally void, and acts of violence within any state or states against the authority of the United States were insurrectionary or revolutionary according to circumstances. Lincoln added that he would make no war upon the South, but that he would enforce federal law, collect taxes, and hold possession of federal property. Thus, Lincoln saw clearly what the Buchanan administration had not seen. The coercion of a succeeding state was technically unnecessary and irrelevant, and that the proper answer to secession was the coercion of individuals resisting federal authority. The issue of federal authority in the South very shortly focused upon Fort Sumter and Charleston Harbor. Although the Confederates had taken over nearly all other federal properties, Buchanan had refused to surrender Sumter, and Lincoln continued this policy.